Hello, so here's a quick Illustrator tip. Or rather, it's not just an Illustrator tip, it's a workflow tip. It concerns the workflow between Photoshop and Illustrator, which a lot of people use when collaborating and maybe a lot more when doing design for social media or for web or screen design. I've got a document here in Illustrator, which is an RGB document, and it has the sRGB color profile embedded, as you can see down there. And then I have a Photoshop document here, which has the Pro Photo color profile embedded. This is just for demonstration. It can be any other color profile. So both are RGB. And now I'm going to take this, which is a layer in Photoshop, and I'm going to drag it into Illustrator. A lot of people do that. There are alternatives. You can save the Photoshop file and then place it in Illustrator, or you can use the clipboard and copy and paste it, but you can also just take it and drag it. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just drag it over into Illustrator. And now watch what happens with the color profile of this document. It changed. I know that this is happening and that's why I'm seeing it. But if you don't know that, and if you don't have the color profile shown down there, then you won't notice, and you will only notice when you reopen the document, or maybe you'll notice something weird happening to your colors, and this can of course continue through the workflow. And that's the reason why I'm making this video. You have to keep that in mind, that this is currently happening with your Illustrator files when you do this workflow, and you have to keep an eye out for that. And also, if this is happening, correct that profile. Or better, not use that workflow and do it in other ways.